enforcement at odds over handling of the case against a man who brought a gun onto a school campus. The new back and forth between the county attorney and Tucson police. Thanks for watching 13 News Live at 6 tonight. I'm Brooke Wagner.
And I'm Dan Maries. Happy Friday. Daniel Hollander carried a gun and a knife onto a school campus and received less than 2 years behind bars. He was sentenced almost 2 weeks ago, but disagreements about how his case was handled continues. Now the Pima County attorney says she is clearing up misinformation that she says has spread over the past week after Tucson police issued a statement in response to her remarks at a town hall meeting.
13 News reporter J.D. Wallace is live downtown with what could be the county attorney's closing argument in this trial in the court of public opinion. J.D.
Well, Brooke, police say that Hollander was Mirandized, but that he ultimately waived those rights. The county attorney says concerns over how he did that it was something that put felony convictions at risk, and that even the detective on the case and his supervisor knew that.
Having been advised of those rights, understand those rights, will you answer my questions?
With what I know now, no, sir.
Okay.
Daniel Hollander takes a few minutes with off-duty Tucson police officer William Bonanno before he changes that answer.
I do wish to speak to you, whatever it is.
But Hollander's statements about being followed by an invisible woman who looked like him, mentioning his attorney, and an interaction with Officer James Voss while in custody.
You've been warned.
Are reasons Pima County Attorney Laura Conover says his comments might not have been admissible in a felony trial for taking a handgun into Legacy Traditional School's East Campus, and that the detective expressed concerns to the prosecutor.
What has transpired since then, and the unfortunately wildly inaccurate narrative about this case that has gone out publicly, begs the question why, because at the ground level the detective and the prosecutor got it right. Tucson police said in part a week ago. Additionally, at no time, either before or after the filing of this case, did the Tucson Police Department receive any concerns, objections, requests for clarification, or feedback from the Pima County Attorney's Office regarding the administration of Miranda warnings or any other procedural matter in this case. Two areas where both sides seem to agree are there was a breakdown of communication and that Officer Bonanno prevented a potential tragedy. That's to be commended and to be grateful about. Now, Hollander, in addition to his 1.5 years in prison, also has 10 years of probation after that. Conover says Tucson police invited State Schools Chief Tom Horn to the sentencing. He roundly criticized her for how the case was handled, and she says she took that because she values her relationship with the Tucson Police Department, which brings her the majority of her cases, but that she had to clear up the events around this case, that she had asked TPD to help her provide a public-facing presentation in order to do that, but she was rejected. Reporting live from downtown, J.D. Wallace, 13 News.